Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Sparky Talking. Today's video is about Diesel Fest, which is an event located in iCar Mirabel, and it's a 30 drive from Montreal City, basically where I live, and it's located in Quebec province in Canada. And about this event, it's anything that has a diesel engine. So anything that pickup, trucks, 18 wheelers, swap, everything that has diesel engine is accepted in that event. But most of the time, it's 18 wheelers or like trucks that has trailer. A little bit of history of those events is Diesel Fest. I don't know if it's the first one, but we as French Canadians started those events in French Canada, which is Quebec. Those events were starting on the street. We closed the street, and it was on uphill with steel trailers. Now it's now aluminum trailers. I don't know why, but back then it was still trailers, and it's on a uphill. So every time the truck launches, the truck goes very hard on wheelies. They're still happening, but it's just very far from my house, and I don't have time and money to go there. Probably in the future I will. So we will see. This one is the closest to me. So most of the time on this video is mostly trucks, like the parking lot is just full of trucks. So the first couple clips will be drags of today, because I've been yesterday also over there. So all the video will be in one video. I also took, can't put it, but it's on this camera. I filmed with a DSLR Nikon D3400 with a 18-55mm lens. And I also put that thing, so sometime you will see that thing on the outside of the, like on the edge of the screen. And yeah, so sorry about that. And also my thing is shaky because I'm not very well positioned. There was a lot of people, you will see in the video. So yeah, so I hope you enjoy, and yeah, we'll see you in a little bit when I will do a over talk on the trucks of the parking lot. So have fun.
stop, la ligne rouge. There we go, Sean, with a red light. Come again, Ryan Eagleson. Good. Away. That's right.
Guys, I hope you like those clips were from today, which is Saturday. Now I will show you the clip from yesterday, and it's all the trucks that are parked in the parking lot. They are only here for the show and to show people their truck. They are not here to go to drag or whatever. So yeah, there will be more clip of drags from yesterday, and those one are way more better than today. Alright guys, so here are the trucks from the showroom. So most of them are Kenworth W900 and Peterbilt 389 or 79 with different front end with lights and bumper. So sorry about that if there's not much like difference between both brand. But yeah, here at 389, very I like this color. If I own one, I wish I would be white, either white or like full black with chrome wheels, or like a grayish, like gunmetal green, gray. So here are some newer model of Peterbilt, a Western Star, Kenworth, Peterbilt, Mac, Freightliner. So yeah, I really enjoy it. I did put some picture in Flickr if you all want to see it. So here are a couple of them. Very nice. Like the parking lot was full of trucks. Here another classic K9 Kenworth. Again, I don't know my model with Kenworth or Peterbilt. The only model I know from Peterbilt is the 389 N79. But this one I like the color. Like wish it had more chrome in the front because yeah, that one is very nice. It's a classic Mac. I don't know the model, but front end flat nose from America is the best. I don't know. It's different from European. Here a new aluminum hydraulic trailer, which was I was surprised how high this thing can fucking pitch because I don't know. Like look at this. It actually like I think three trucks high. Like it's very high. Here's some classic Western Star Kenworth, some band again Peterbilt with aluminum trailers. Like sorry if there's no like there a lot of variety in the parking lot. I mean that's I think most of truck event right now it's mostly those two trucks that are popular and the best for modifying them. Like if you type on Google, I'm sure it will be just full of Peterbilt uh, most of the time. So here another one which is full slammed on the floor on the all wheels. You can do that only on show. You cannot drive them like this because it's illegal. You can get arrested for that and everything. We have very limited modification you can do on trucks. That Freightliner on the end at the end is very nice. That one was my favorite one of all the trucks out there. I don't know why because flat nose from American trucks are just different. There is something about them. Like there's not much newer model flat nose are being made. So we only see the classic one, and that one I really enjoy. Like how the graphics on the sun shield is, the livery, the bumper, the chromes. Like it's very well made. How the frame is decked out, it's closed, it's painted. There is light between the fuel tank. I love the exhaust next to the intake, which is not good because diesel and the truck is breathing the diesel smell, whatever. But I guess it's just a show truck. It's even extended, which is illegal here, but it's not illegal if you don't put a 53 feet trailer in the back. So yeah, if you extend your frame and you go over 300 feet wheelbase, then you cannot put any trailer in the back, which is dumb. I don't know why. That's Quebec law. I cannot change it. So yeah, here's some chrome wheels. I'm not fan of those light. I've never been a fan of those type of light, but hey, it's his truck. He do whatever he want. Here's a fifth wheel also, which is chrome. I think this truck is mostly for show most of the time. Like, look how clean it is. I'm sure like he won't put any trailer anyway. He is from here, from Quebec, because his name is on the frame, and it's a French Canadian name. So yeah, very enjoy. I really like this truck. Alright guys, that's all the truck that was in the showroom that I took. It was way more than that, but most of them are Peterbilt 29 or Kenworth, so it's all the same model. So sorry if I didn't took any video. I did took a picture. If you want to see that, I will put a link in the description of my Flickr and go into my album Diesel Fest 21, and you will see all the picture I took from over there. From both days. So now I will show you the yesterday drag races, and I will talk to you later at the end of the video. Alright, enjoy. Alright, time out. So those two trucks were the first truck to go to the track yesterday morning. So they were the first truck at the drag race, and the green and black truck blew up his engine at the first run up of the day. So you will see. Alright guys, that's all of it. I only took 4 videos of yesterday drag because it was so full, so packed that I didn't have any place to film. So yeah, sorry about that, but it was very nice. If you have the chance to go to those type of events, just do it because it's the best thing of the life. And I even said to my friend that it's more enjoyable than car event, because car event is just same thing over and over and over. While trucks is not all well over, it's different. It's a nice.